Okay, today is whatever time it shows up on the phone here, if you can see that. Come on, focus. Oh, it went away. Oh, all right, it's 9:52. Oh, good grief. Come on. 9:52, 27 July 2021. I'm going to open up a Toshiba. I got a Toshiba 8980 SM. And Ron has been concerned about these boxes here on the thing. They've been here for quite some time, so it's playing very softly. Okay, so what we gotta do? We gotta open this box up and hopefully play it. Alright, so this came from wherever. Oh god. You hear the that's just a trash truck right there, but alright, so we'll open this from the bottom because this is similar to a box I already got. It's like playing a great. And then this it's only 95 degrees out here. Okay, so there we go. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. All right, so yeah. Okay, it's this corn stuff. I got a power supply out here, and I got one tape. But I don't expect the tape player to work on this one because that's what it said so on the listing. All right, great. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's just formed packaging, which is nice. One humongous box, though. Got to put it out for recycle because I don't have room to save any more boxes. Got way too many boxes as it is. All right, so scissors. There we go. Well, Mom doesn't understand that it's kind of sort of important for me to open these things in the video, so that way I can prove that it actually arrived the way it did and works the way it should and all that. Okay, so great. I'm trying to preserve the plastic because, well, you know, well, there we go. This is a Toshiba. Okay, great. There we go. Yeah. Just like that. All right. I haven't even seen it yet. All right, so let's look at it. It's a oh. This is a, what is this? This is an S90. Why is that box heavier than this one? Alright, well, okay. This is a, let's read it from the back. This is a Toshiba RT-S90. Okay, and it had take, oh my god. This takes 10D batteries. I thought it only took 8. Well, this thing is running on 9 batteries right now, and so, let's see here. This is a, okay, it is a 100 volt model, so doesn't, where's the plug-in on this thing? Well, there's the plug-in on this. Let's put it this way and see if we got a power cord in the battery compartment. No battery cord in the battery compartment, just like that. There you go. Okay, so nice and clean though. Okay, so I brought out my soon-to-be famous power supply thing. Let's see, what kind of plug does it take? It takes a standard plug, has a DC input there, and well, okay, the volume is down. This is AM and FM stereo, I'm guessing. And I don't that does. I have to figure that one. That's probably the power switch. Oh, that's right. This thing said had a power switch broken, but the nub is... Okay, so there is... Well, that's the ADRS. Okay. I don't know. Alright, so I need a power plug. I got a standard one already plugged into this thing. So here's that, right? Take this, plug it into here, like that, okay? And then, oh my gosh, then what? Then what do we do? Well, we gotta turn this thing on. Power, AC. Well, it's got power now. The needles are moving. I know you can't see that this far away, but I see her. So all right. This is a job for cleaning. There's bass. There's balance. I'm sorry. That's treble. But there's a cassette deck open. Yes, it does. See that? Cassette deck opens and closes. Hinges aren't broke. And why there's no sound of any kind of radio here. No, that's your beat cuts. That's stereo. Okay. That's not on. Is this? That's off. It's on. I heard a click. And that's off. That must be the tape deck cycling. So that's off. Tape deck cycled. Chinese characters again, but yeah, I can hear the tape deck motor running. So let's see, we eject. The eject, it turned it off. I just saw the capstan rolling along, so let's see here. Hit play. Okay. Actually, that's, I don't know if you can see that, but that's rolling along really fast. But and that's, wait. Right, so here's stop, right? No, that's stop. Okay. All right, now let's take out this tape here and drop it in here. Hopefully you don't eat it or anything like that. Let's see if we can get this to play, because I'm pretty sure we have it on tape. So there's that, hit play. Played and stops. Played, then stop. Played and stop. Okay, well, it's not, well, so the tape deck works. That's just your ADRS thing. This doesn't do anything. It's on, so you put it on tape, I guess. doesn't do anything. That's off. Okay, so does that do anything? No. So that's the power switch. Came on and did its cycle. And now it's just it'll rewind. It'll go the other direction. And it'll play and stop. So something wrong in the logic of this. The radio doesn't work, and that's about all I know. And I'm just going to stop it here and see here. So eject, great. Okay, well, another project box. This does have both antennas, right? So there's that one, and they both, you know, pull out and go in. They do, and they go on position right there and right there. Okay, so let's kill the power on this, right? Get my power cord out of this, and we'll just set it over here for the time being. Okay, fine. Alright, so, and we'll just, well, okay, we just put this back in here. Go back to, and we might as well rewind to our previous song here. I can just show you this thing works. So go back one more song. I want to start this over and do another unboxing of that box there. All right. There we go. Yeah. I can go back. Whoops. Get back one more song and stop this and say good day and bye bye and hope you enjoyed. Well, okay. Hit stop on that. Okay, so that's the backup camera. This is the front camera. Okay. Gosh, don't trip on the wires. Okay. All right, so say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. And hit power.